Hey guys, it's Mega. And today we have the Akko Cream Black Pro V3 for review, but it's a little awkward. Let me tell you why. But first, a disclaimer. Akko sent these switches over for an honest and unbiased review. So everything I say here are my opinions and Akko had no influence on it. With that out of the way, let's get on to the video. So these are the Akko Cream Black Pro V3s. From the name, you'd think it's a variation of the cream yellows.
Got him!
Well, yeah, technically, but it's actually supposed to be a replacement for the Akko CS Jelly Blacks, which were great switches, but it needed an update.
Fuck!
What's wrong?
Seriously, auto-updating now?
So this is what Akko came up with, the Akko Cream Black Pro V3. Let's take it apart so we can see if it's more Jelly Black or Cream Yellow Pro. First off, the Akko Cream Black Pro V3s have a top housing made out of PC and a bottom housing made out of PA. In contrast, the Jelly Black is made out of a PA top and a PC bottom. Right there, the housings are the same with the Cream Yellow Pro V3s, and both have 5-pin bottom housing. And the Jelly Blacks only come in 3 pins. For the stems, all 3 stems are made out of POM, but only the Jelly Blacks have a travel of 4 mm. Because both the Cream Black Pros and the Cream Yellow Pros are at 3.3 mm. This means they are long pole switches, while the Jelly Blacks are short pole or normal pole switches. For the springs, this is where it gets a bit weird, because both the Cream Yellow V3s and the Jelly Blacks have 50 grams of actuation. I can't tell you if they're the same length or even the same spring exactly, but they have 50 grams of actuation. But for the Cream Black Pros, they have a 55 gram actuation force. Probably for Akko to keep it at least different from both the Jelly Black and the Cream Yellow Pro. But the Cream Black Pros have the same length of the spring compared to the Cream Yellow Pro spring. By the way, if you want to see my review, thoughts, and sound test of the Akko Cream Yellow Pro V3s, links will be in the description and up there somewhere. So what do I think about the Akko Cream Black Pro V3s? Well, to me, these are great switches. Totally usable out of the box. They sound great and they feel great, but it's too close to the Cream Yellow Pro. In fact, it's a little too close. The difference is not even enough to justify a color change. It's just in an awkward place. 5 gram difference from the Akko Cream Yellow Pros. It's basically the same switch. There's nothing wrong with that. I think they had the same idea as the tangerines, but it would have been more interesting if they did it at least with a 60 gram spring rather than a 55 gram spring. But overall, it's a great switch, and if the yellows run out, these are a great alternative. I think that's the idea they had. You can change over to the blacks without having to deal with too much fatigue in your fingers, I guess, when you change from the yellows. So anyway, here is the sound test of my Tiger 80 Lite with the Akko Cream Black Pro V3s and my Cat White on Black. So anyway guys, I hope you liked the vid and subscribe to the channel. We have more reviews to come and more keyboard builds to build. So see you guys next time. I hope you have a nice day.